So everyone, welcome to my channel Revolt 247. Today I sharing geopolitics news about Donald Trump and Iran with war. So Donald Trump mistakenly said that the Islamic Republic of Japan attacked America. He actually meant Iran, but he accidentally said the Japan during his speech. This mistake made many people laugh and raise questions about leadership. The speaker said that the current ceasefire between Israel and Iran is only temporary, that war may start again very soon. According to the speaker, the conflict will not truly end until Israel is satisfied. He believed that the Donald Trump and even of US military leaders do not have full control over the situation. When Trump was asked about the ceasefire, he said to the might already be over. He also said the both sides acting irrationally and called them crazy. The speaker said the ongoing war is hurting the whole world. Stock market are failing and many people losing money of their investment. He believed the United States may launch another major military operation against Iran. He also thinks that by the end of the year there could be direct war between US and Iran involving American soldiers. The speaker mentioned report that the US may automatically register young men aged 18 to 25 for military services it needed. He said that the defending Iran would be required to a large number of soldiers because Iran is expected to fight back strongly. He also believed that the full-scale war beginning countries like Russia and China could openly support Iran. However, he said that nothing is certain. The Iran changes the position on the nuclear program. The political leader decide to negotiate. The situation could calm down. The speakers hope that the war can avoided becomes because no one want to people to send to the battlefield. He believed the recent ceasefire was only used to give both side time of prepare another round attack. Finally, he warned people, especially investors, not assume that war is over. He advised everyone to the follow only trusted news sources and stay careful because the situation is changing